Got an old laptop just sitting there collecting dust in a closet? What if I told you that in just the next few minutes, we could turn that old thing into a super useful second screen for your main computer? Yeah, let's get that old tech back in the game. And you want to know the best part? This incredible upgrade, this whole second monitor setup, is going to cost you exactly this. Zero. Zilch. Nada. Not one single cent. So really, the only question left is, are you ready to seriously level up your workspace? Make multitasking actually easy? All right then, let's do this. Okay, let's dive in. We are about to unlock some serious hidden potential in that gear you already have. It is time to pull that old laptop out of retirement and give it a brand new, super important job. Okay, so just think about this for a second. This is where everything changes for your workflow. Imagine your Slack or Teams chat is always open on that second screen while you're focused on your main work. Or you could have reference docs sitting right there. Maybe you just want to control your music without ever switching windows. For you video editors out there, you could literally stretch your timeline across both screens. I'm telling you, it is an absolute game changer. So, how does all this magic actually work? I know it sounds kind of techy and complicated, but trust me, the basic idea is, well, it's really, really simple. It all comes down to the Wi-Fi you're already using. Now, this is super important because it gets at a really common mistake people make. You might be thinking, can't I just plug an HDMI cable between the two laptops? And the answer is, nope. See, the ports on most laptops are for output only. They can't take in a video signal. So instead of a cable, the whole trick here is using a little bit of software to stream your screen from your main computer to the old one, right over your home Wi-Fi. So when you break it down, it's this simple. You've got your main computer, you've got that old laptop, and you've got a Wi-Fi network. We literally just need to add one more thing to the mix, a tiny and completely free piece of software. That's all there is to it. Okay, so when it comes to the software, you've got a few really great options, and picking the right one for you, it just depends on what kind of computers you're working with. Don't worry, we're going to find the perfect match for your setup. All right, this little chart makes it super clear. Look, if you're a Windows on Windows person, the built-in feature is a no-brainer. It's the easiest way to go. You don't have to install a thing. Now, if you've got a mixed setup, maybe a Mac and an old PC, or you want to use a tablet, Deskreen is your best friend. It's awesome because it works through a simple web browser. And finally, for you Windows Power users out there who need the absolute best performance, maybe even want to hook up multiple extra screens, yeah, spacedesk is what you're looking for. Okay, have you got your choice in mind? Awesome. Now for the really fun part, actually getting it to work. Let's walk through the setup for each of these step by step. I'll make it easy. First up, we've got the built-in Windows feature. Seriously, if you have two computers running Windows 10 or 11, this is probably the one you want to try first. It's called projecting to this PC, and it couldn't be simpler. It's basically just 3 simple steps. Step 1, on your old laptop, the one that's going to be the screen, you hop into settings and just set it to be available. Easy. Step 2, on your main computer, you just hit the Windows key plus the letter K. A little panel will pop up, you'll see your old laptop's name, and you just click it. And finally, step 3. Hit the Windows key plus the letter P and choose Extend. Boom. That's it. You've got a second monitor. All right, next up is Deskreen, and this is by far the most flexible option. This is the go-to if you're using a Mac or a Linux machine, or maybe your old laptop isn't even running Windows. The secret sauce here is that the second device doesn't need any special software at all, just a web browser. So for this one, you only install the Deskreen app on your main computer. When you open it, it's going to give you a web address and a QR code. Then you just grab your old laptop, open any web browser, and either type in that address or scan the code. They're instantly paired. Now, there is one little pro tip here. Out of the box, it might just mirror your screen. If you want a true extended desktop where you can drag stuff over, you might need something called a virtual display adapter. It sounds complicated, but it's just a tiny free piece of software that tricks your computer into thinking there's a real monitor plugged in. And last but not least, we've got spacedesk. This is for the Windows users who want the absolute best performance, the lowest lag, or for those of you who are thinking, hey, can I connect 2 old laptops? Yep, this is the tool for you. It's super powerful, but honestly, it's surprisingly easy to get going. The setup here is pretty straightforward. You'll install a driver on your main PC and then a viewer app on your old laptop. As long as both computers are on and on the same Wi-Fi, the magic just happens. Seriously, your old laptop will just show up as a new monitor right inside your normal Windows display settings. You just go in there, click on it, and choose Extend Desktop to this display. It's so slick. Okay, let's be real. Sometimes with tech, things don't work perfectly the very first time, and that is totally normal. So let's quickly go over the couple of little glitches you might run into, and, more importantly, how to fix them in like 30 seconds. So this is probably the #1 issue people have. You did everything right, but your main computer just can't find the old laptop. What is going on? 9 times out of 10, it's going to be one of these 3 things. First, and I mean really double check this, make sure both devices are on the exact same Wi-Fi network. Not, one on my Wi-Fi and the other on my Wi-Fi 5G. They have to be identical. Second, it could be your firewall. Just try turning it off for a quick second to see if that's the problem. And third, if you're using a VPN on either machine, turn it off. I'd bet money one of those 3 will fix it. Okay. Next problem. You're connected, it's working, but when you drag your mouse over to the new screen, it feels kind of laggy, or maybe video playing on it is a little choppy. So, what's causing that? Yeah, that is purely a Wi-Fi issue. Remember, you are basically streaming a live video of your desktop. So the #1 absolute best fix? If you can, plug one or both of the computers into your router with an old-fashioned Ethernet cable. That will almost always solve it. If you have to stick with Wi-Fi, just make sure you have a really strong signal, preferably on a 5 GHz network. And if all else fails, you can usually go into the software settings and just lower the resolution a bit. That'll smooth things right out. And hey, one last little pro tip. This one is just for the Windows folks. If you went looking for that built-in projecting to this PC option and it was just missing, don't panic. It's an easy fix. All you have to do is go into your settings, look for optional features, and then find and install the one called wireless display. As soon as you do that, the option will magically appear where it's supposed to be. And there you have it. That's really all there is to it. In just a few minutes, you've actually done something pretty awesome. You took a piece of tech that was probably just collecting dust and turned it into a genuinely useful tool that's going to make your day-to-day work so much better. And the best part, you did it all for free. So now I have to ask, what are you going to put on your new second screen? Is it going to be for your email, a stock ticker? Maybe just keep an eye on social media. The possibilities are endless. Go enjoy that new supercharged workspace.